Hi, welcome to the first tutorial. I am going to take the simple how to start a simple Spring Boot application. I am using the Spring tool suite, that is at STS. I am using this. If you want to use any other IDE also you can use it. I am explaining here how using the Spring tool suite, how to create a simple Spring Boot application. So you should go to File, New, Spring Starter Project. So here the demo is there and we can choose a Spring demo. Code. So I'm giving Java version. We can choose 21, 17 or anything else. I'm choosing 21. Maven build tool I'm choosing, and code.demo you can change it. Code.bank. Okay. So demo, and you can give anything. Here also version is maintained. Don't change anything. Description you can give, and you can give projects bank dot demo. Right, so jar or var jar I'm giving. So this is a basic modification, and basic dependency we can give web, and there are so many dependencies we are having. If we are having any database, we can give the database dependency. If we are having anything else dependency, form.xml dependency we can add here. Otherwise, after completion of this setup, we can add manually also, not an issue. The Spring Boot version 3.5.7 and 3.5.8, 3.4.12. So default it is 3.5.7. If you want to choose 4 plus, you can choose it. And next and finish. So this is what the basic Spring Boot application. So this is Spring demo code, right? So this is just basic. You can check progress. Is there anything is running? No. So this is our Spring Boot application. So internally, so pom.xml. If you are clicking that, you are having some error. What is the error? So you need to add some HTTPS. So add HTTPS. So add and save it. The error gone. And right click it. Run as Maven install. So it's showing build success. So and one failures, errors, and skip 0. So it is build success. All the libraries are installed. This is a Maven form.xml. So we have added this web dependency, right? Spring Boot started web. So this is added. Is there any other dependency we can add it? And Java version is 21. And is your project name and snapshot. Everything is coming here, and Spring Boot version. So everything is coming here. So this is a form.xml, the dependency we can add it, and finally we can debug as or run as Spring Boot app. Spring Boot app, select this, and you can see started Spring Boot application, Spring demo code application in 1.009 seconds. So process is running. So that's all. So Spring Boot internally having a Tomcat. So uh, this jar file. So whatever the target we are having, target jar file is located. It will be deployed in the Tomcat internally, and it is running. So internally, no need to use any external Tomcat server. So it is a web container. It will store this jar file, and it will containerize it, and it will run it, and finally we have got it. So the application.properties is there. It contains some Spring application name, that is Spring demo code. Demo code is the application name, and it contains is the main class of the Spring. So it is at the rate Spring Boot application. So it is a main class. So later we will see in detail now how to start a simple Spring Boot application using the Spring Tool Suite. Spring Tool Suite. So this is a test class file we are having. So all the mammoth dependency, so dependency jar will be loaded here. If you want to add any dependency, we can add into the pom.xml. So this is the basic intro level view of the Spring Boot application. Yeah, in the next video we'll see the next uh, forthcoming Spring Boot application, how to add some of the REST APIs and all. The next video we will see. Thank you.